Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at the coin change problem. So the question says we have an amount 11 and we have the denominations 1, 2 and 5 and we need to return the fewest number of coins that you need to make up that amount. Okay, so in this is we are going to solve this using DP. So DP approach. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a 1D array. So this is the 1D array which we have DP array. Alright, so this is a DP array which we are going to create of size amount amount, right? So there will be 11, there will be 12 starting from 0 indexes. Okay, so what does this mean is each of the index of the DP array is the amount. Okay, so 11th index is the amount 11, index 6 is the amount 6. Okay, and the value at that particular index is going to store the minimum number of coins to make that value. So right now if you look at this is how we are going to fill it. We are going to put a higher number since we are going to find the fewest number of coins, right? So 12, I just took amount plus 1. Okay, so what we are going to do is what this indicates right now is to make the amount 3 we are using 12 coins in some 12 number of coins to make 3 in some way. Okay, that's the meaning of this, and we are going to these are just the placeholders and we are going to make it the fewest number of coins, right? So and we are given 3 of these denominations 1, 2 and 5. So the main idea is we have to replace the 12 with the minimum number of coins. Okay, and we are going to take each coin one at a time, right? So now we'll take the first coin. So if you take coin 1, in how many ways can we uh, make 0 using 0 coins or 1 coin? If you use 1 coin and you have to make 0, you can't do it, right? So that's going to be 0, right? So what we'll do is from this particular index, now we have a coin 1 or value 1, denomination 1, and the amount that we need to make is 1, right? Can we do it? Yes, we can. If you do 1 minus 1, that's 0, and for 0 there is 0 ways, right? So the number of coins used is 1 over here. So we need 1 coin to make the value 1 using the coin 1. Pretty straightforward, right? Now you have the amount 2. You have amount 2 and you have 1 coin, and you can use the coin an infinite number of times, right? So I can use the coin 1 twice, right? And that will give me 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And that's the fewest number of coins that we are storing. So if you see now we are replacing 12 with 1, 12 with 2. So we use 2 coins to make 2 if the coin is 1. Right? Similarly, here 3. How many coins do we need if we have a 1 rupee coin, $1 coin to make $3? 3 coins. Right? 4 coins. Similarly, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if we have 1, the minimum number of coins required to get to 11 are 11, right? Makes sense. But we like I said, we are going to store the minimum number of coins here, right? Now the next part is where we start optimizing things and check and get the values which have already been calculated. So we know these are the minimum number of coins with the denomination 1. Now we are going to choose between these minimum and this minimum using 2. Okay, right? So now we have a coin with value 2 and we have to make 1. uh, i don't I don't think so we can do that, right? Can we do it? No, right? So that's going to be 1, right? But now we have a coin, we have amount 2 and the count 2. The minimum number of coins that are required to get to 2 using a 2. Earlier we took 2 coins, right? But we have to take the minimum. So the minimum would be choosing only 1 coin of 2 rather than 2 coins of 1, right? So this is going to be 1. So how are we doing this actually? So we see dp of I, right? Either we take whatever we have right now, or what we do is we take the minimum, either this one, or we take dp of the denomination I minus coin. You understand? I minus coin is nothing but 2, which is index amount, minus coin, which we have taken 2. This becomes 0 of dp of 0, right? And we add plus 1 to it since we have taken that coin, right? This plus 1 is choosing that coin, right? Since we have taken that. So when you come over here, you have to make 3. So how do you do it from this? So it's going to be 3 minus 2, right? dp of 3 minus 2, dp of 3 minus 2, that's 1. So we come over here, right? dp of 1, so that's going to be dp of 3 minus 2 plus 1. So dp of 3 minus 2 is 1, right? dp of 1 is 1, that is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. That is what we write over here. Now does that make sense? In how many, no, you have to make 3 using these 2 coins. I'll just use one coin of 2 and one coin of uh, denomination 1, right? So I've used 2 coins, this coin and this coin. That is the answer over here, right? Similarly, we can do it for 4. So it's going to be minimum of, so here understand we're taking the minimum, okay? That's how we do it. So here, so we take the minimum of whatever we have right now, that is 4, which we have right now, dp of I, or we take 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 gives us 2, which is here. 1 plus 1, that's 2. So to make 4, we'll just use 2 coins of 2 rather than 4 coins of 1. That's the minimum. Similarly, we'll do this again. dp of I, either we take 5 coins of 1, or we take minimum of 5 minus 2. 3 is the remaining amount. For 3, we have taken 2. So this is going to be 3. Right? Does that make sense? So how do you make 5 when you have 1 and 2? You take 2 coins of 2 and 1 coin of this. So 3 is the answer. Right? So that's how you fill the entire, you keep on replacing for each coin, right? So this is one loop which we got, these are the values. Then we are replacing the values with the minimum is using 2. Okay, so either we do 6, minimum would be 6, minimum of 6, or 6 minus 2, that's 4, plus 1, this particular value plus 1, that's 3. Again, how? Take 3 times, take 3 coins of 2, that will give you 6. Okay. This is going to give me 4. No, so this is going to give me 7. That is, either we take 7, or the minimum 7 minus 2, that's 4. That's 5, that's 3, that's 4, right? So we have to take 4 coins to make 7. Basically 3 2s and 1 this, right? So this way you fill the entire table. Same goes for 8. In how many ways can you make, in how many ways, minimum number of ways you can make 8. Either take 8, or the minimum using 8 minus 2, that's 6. You come over here, 3 plus 1, that's 4 again. Okay. For 9 it's going to be 5, and for 10 it's going to be 5 again, and for 11, let's do for 11. So that would be take 11 coins of 1, or take 11 minus 2, that's going to be 9. 5 plus 1, that's 6. So take 6 coins. So now you can see, if you have 1 and 2 coins, you have to take minimum 6 coins to make 11. That's what we're trying to solve, right? Fewest number of coins. With 1 we took 11 coins. With 2, now we are taking 2. We are taking 6. But we have one more denomination, that is 5. So for 5, you try to fill the same thing again. You come over here, when you keep on filling, this is going to be 0 1 1, then 2 2. So here, so this is pretty simple from above, because you have a denomination 5 and you cannot make 4 with a $5 5 unit coin, right? So you come over here, now we have 5. So what we do, either we take 3 coins and make 5, or we take 5 minus 5 0 and do this again, plus 1, right, which is the minimum. Either 3, and you can make 5 by choosing that coin itself, right, which is going to be 1. That's the minimum we have taken, right? 5 minus 5 0, that plus 1 is this, so 1. Basically we just choose 5 instead of taking 3 coins. Now we have 6. What we do, this becomes easy to calculate now. It's 2, right? Or 7. For 7, how do we do it? Take 4 coins to make 7, or we do 7 minus 5, that's 2. You come over here, that's 1 plus 1, right? This particular 1 by choosing, that's 2. So we'll to take the minimum, that's 2. So we need 2 coins to make 7. That is coin number 5 and coin value 5 and coin value 2. Come over here, 8. For 8 we'll do either 4 coins, minimum coins, or we'll use 8 minus 5, that's 3. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is the minimum, so 3. For 9 it's going to be 3 again, because we'll take 5 and 2 times 4, 2 times 2. For 10, either we take 5 coins, minimum coin, but the minimum would be taking 5 twice, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5, so you come over here 5. 1 plus 1, that would be 2. The minimum is 2 between 5 and 2. And this is the final answer that we need to return. Okay, so we have 11. We use 6 coins, which is the minimum coin required to make 11, or we do 11 minus 5, that is 6. We come over here, and 2 plus 1, 3. So out of 6 and 3, 3 is the minimum. So 3 is your final answer, right? So that's the way you fill the 1D array. So remember, this is not a 2D array, this is a 1D array, which is replacing. So dp of I is what we were checking first, and then we check the minimum by doing the 11 minus 5. Okay, so let's do it. So let's create our dp array. That's going to be 0 for the first one, plus I'll do the amount plus 1 times amount. So basically you have created this particular dp array, right? So 0 is 0, and this is the bigger number, right? So what do we do next? Now we have to iterate through all the coins, right? So 1, 2 and 5. So for coin in coins, right, for each coin. So for each coin we iterate through the dp array from coin. So this particular coin, why? Because if you have 5, there's no need to check for these, right? Because with 5 unit coin you cannot make 3, right? So you seriously directly start from here. That's why we have taken coin to amount, right? Plus 1. Right. What do we do? We fill dp of I with minimum of dp of I, meaning either we take this particular value or we calculate by choosing it, by doing dp of I. This particular I is nothing but your your amount that you're going to make, right? 4 minus 2, right? 4 minus 2, that's the coin which we have chosen from here, right? Plus 1 is what makes you do 4 minus 2 is 2. That 1 plus 1, right? So we are taking that coin, which is the minimum of that, and that's how we get the entire array. But the catch over here is So if dp of amount, that is meaning the last value is equal to the amount plus 1, meaning it remains 12. That means we cannot come to this particular number, right, which is this particular example to which they have given. That's why this is where we return minus 1. Else we return dp of amount, which is the last one, meaning we just return 3, right, after doing all the calculations. So let's see if we can run this. Let me comment this. Commented. Oh, what this? Now it's commented. It says video return here. Yeah, that is done. Let's try to submit. And so it is accepted. So yes, that's the problem. If you have any questions regarding the approach, then just put it in the comments. I would be happy to look at it. Awesome. Thank you.